How are you going to achieve what you want when you don't even know why you want it? I'm here to remind you that you must have an anchor as to why you want something. So I'm going to challenge you in this video to think about what you want and why you want it, and to ask yourself why 3 times in a row. And if you can answer it all clearly and concisely, then you can move on to the next stage, which is designing your blueprint to achieve your goal. But here's the thing, subconsciously, you might fuck your own path up if you don't have a clear reason why. Because most people growing up say that they want money. They're attracted to the lifestyle that money can bring and the freedom it can bring. But they just think money is the goal and money is a tool. You cannot consciously go through life and avoid all the hurdles and all the pits that you'll fall down to just achieve the goal of money if there's no powerful why behind. Because when life drags you down, you won't have an anchor to lean on to pull you back up. So what do I mean by this? So if I asked a young G in my group, in the Tyson's Alchemy group, what is your goal? And they said, I want to make £10,000 a month. And I said, why? They will usually come out with something cliche like, I want to be able to support my family and support my mum, which there's nothing wrong with that. That's great. That's very noble. But then I'll say, why? And then they don't know what to say. Remember, we're trying to get through 3 whys. So I've asked them 1. They've gave me the cliche cause for other people. But deep down, I know through dealing with many people like this, that they need to find the real source within. And most people, they do not look within and ask themselves why they want something. And it doesn't always have to be a noble reason. Sometimes it can just be your ego. You want to flex. You want to drive nice cars. You want to date beautiful women, multiple of them. Maybe that's what it is. But you have to be honest with yourself. Sure, you can famous customers and you can do all these things to get ahead in life. That's your choice. Karma will catch up with you if you keep lying about shit. But you cannot famous your own soul and your own consciousness. Okay? So you ask why? Why do I want to make 10k a month? Right, family, support everyone. Why do you want to support the family? Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to be the noble hero? Well, you need to figure that part out. So in my example, I always wanted to be the hero. I always wanted to provide protection and wealth for my family. And I had to figure out why that was. Well, it's because when I was younger and I went through a lot of difficult times, I felt powerless. I felt like I couldn't control situations. So it comes from my insecurities of wanting to be in control. And most men have this in common. They want the control. They want to be able to choose freedom when they want to. They don't want people telling them what to do. So yes, I wanted to protect the family. I wanted to provide them security. But I wanted control. And then you need to ask, why? Why do you need and want control? Because if you go deep and deeper, you'll figure out that you shouldn't really be chasing control. There is beauty in chaos. There is beauty in the struggle. But there is a reason why you want control, or why I wanted control in my example. You need to ask yourself these questions. If you can get through 3 whys, and be a real G about it if you can, and put it in the comments, and I'll take a look at it if you want. But if you can get through 3 whys, so put your goal and then go through 3 whys. And don't ask AI, don't try not to be cliche. Try and actually ask yourself why you want to achieve the goal. And the beauty of this is, once you get to the bottom and you get to the real reasons and your real anchors, then you really truly understand what you're doing. And the map opens up further. The neural pathways in your brain almost expand because you have a deeper understanding of self. And what do I teach on this channel? Self-hypnosis. If you do not understand yourself and how you work, you cannot program your own mind. Now, yes, I encourage using media, music, and programming of your own choice through other sources to program yourself. But how far is that going to take you if you do not understand yourself? So, think about this. Go away and ask yourself what your goals are and why, times 3, of why you want to achieve your goal. Why? Okay, get that stuck in your head. Try and answer it. Don't go thinking too hard. Don't go crazy. Don't go losing the fucking plot, okay? Just answer these deep questions, reflect on yourself, write it down in a journal maybe, make it stick, make those anchors, and think about what it is that you can lean back on to achieve your goals, because most people fail when life gets hard, which it will get. The universe will throw some beautiful challenges at you. And if you don't look at them as beautiful and eye-opening and XP leveling up and becoming the action hero that you want to become, you're just going to get bogged down. And if you don't answer those questions as to why, it's just going to become a struggle. And you're literally going to sit there in the difficult moment and go, why is this happening? Rather than, I know why this is happening because of this, this, and this. So, take that or leave it. It's up to you. Remain as you are. Who cares? Who am I to tell you how to live your life? My name's Tyson, and remember, self-hypnosis is the key.